Hi, this is JP again down at Nemer Volkswagen, 550 Troy Schenectady Road here in Latham, New York. Currently, we have this beautiful certified pre-owned 2017 Volkswagen Golf GTI SE. This front-wheel drive hatchback comes with a 2-liter TSI turbocharged engine with a 6-speed DSG automatic Tiptronic transmission with paddle shifters. You get front and rear anti-roll bars with sport-tuned suspension and gas pressurized shock absorbers, ABS and driveline traction control with electronic stability control, heated leathered seats with sports steering wheel. You get 24 miles per gallon in the city, 32 miles per gallon on the highway, radio with aux and USB input, Bluetooth connectivity, Fender premium audio system with subwoofer, power slide and tilt sunroof with manual sunshade, proximity key for doors and push button start, and remote keyless illuminated entry. Please be sure to stop on down here at Nemer Volkswagen and test drive any vehicle of your choosing, as well as browsing our extensive inventory of vehicles and being one with us. Thank you.